Okay. Yeah. Now we need to get out and get a bit active so that I feel semi-alright tomorrow.
Lou.
As opposed to only doing things during the week and then I feel fantastic until the weekend comes and then I feel shit again.
Lulu. Hey man, like amazing, wow.
Yeah.
What you doing? What you doing?
You're a shame, man. Now listen here, why are you saying you can't go to Greece because of Ryan's passport?
Ooh.
But do you really think that anything would happen? But now, maybe look into it a bit and see if you can confirm that. Really? But how old? Oh my god. Come sit here, Anna.
Bite her. Ooh, smell a bum.
How old?
You're hooked on crack.
When is the exemption until?